So Mel, can you score a Birkin or Kelly in Hawaii? Let me tell you my story. Hello my YouTube fam, welcome back. It is good to be back filming a sit down video for you guys, though I must admit our family misses Hawaii so much. Like, I completely fell in love with Hawaii. So today's video, as you saw from the title, is an unboxing and I can't wait to show you what I got from Hermes. For those of you that may be new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I would love for you to join my YouTube fam, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button and then click that bell so you are notified each time I upload. Now, I've already released my Hawaii vlog. For those of you that haven't watched that, I will link it above. But for those of you that have, you would have seen a little 2-second snippet of the box. Today's video is to share with you my story and my experience of how I got this bag. Before we get started, I need to say this is not like my how to score a Birkin or Kelly in Paris. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it above. Paris is a lot more of a systematic approach, which most people have to follow to get an appointment. There are ways around it, but for the most part, that's the system you need to follow. So with Hawaii, it's not the same process, but I still wanted to come and share my story because I know Hawaii is a very popular holiday destination. And the thing with Hawaii is because it gets so many tourists, they do get a lot more stock and a lot more deliveries. So I believe that the chances of getting a Birkin, a Kelly, a Constance are higher. But anyway, let me share with you my experience. I will also be sharing with you the essay that I worked with. And I just hope that for those of you that are going there, that it may help you. It started off with me actually asking you guys for some recommendations of essays. And thank you so much to everyone that sent me details of all their sales associates, not just from Hermes, but from Dior, Chanel, Gucci, and so forth. It really helped. And I appreciate you guys so much. Anyway, one of my YouTube family, because that's what I like to call you guys, messaged me. She does not want to be named, but she worked with this amazing sales associate and his name is Joyo. Hi Joyo, if you're watching. I had fabulous customer service at Hermes Waikiki. Oh, by the way, this is Hermes Waikiki. In Hawaii, there is an Hermes at the airport. There's Hermes Waikiki, and then there's Hermes in Ala Moana, which is like a huge shopping center. So I'm talking about Hermes Waikiki. And the store that I went to, guys, is a temporary store. So for anyone traveling to Hawaii now, that is their temporary location. They're going to be opening their new flagship, amazing 3-level store next year, I believe in April-ish. So anyway, I got the contact of Joyo. I emailed him, I think it was only like a day or two before I was about to leave. And all he said was just come in and chat. That's it. So I went in, and can I just say, guys, whenever I go to luxury stores like overseas and things like that, I don't ever sort of declare that I'm, you know, a YouTuber or luxury blogger, but sometimes I can guess because usually I'm trying to film for you guys. Now, I couldn't film in Hermes, so there wasn't any footage, but whenever I can, you know, I do. So we went in, and I already had a few things on my wish list. As you know, with Melbourne, we don't get a lot of the stock that say US or Europe do. I guess for me, what I always feel is I don't ever go into a store and say, oh, do you have a Birkin or Kelly? Because I just kind of feel if you ask that straight off, I don't know that many people that have had such success rate with that. My personal opinion. Now, whatever I say, there are always exceptions to the rules. There is no set process with Hermes. Can I just say that's very important for you guys to know. Please do not go to Joyo or any other Hermes and say, oh, Mel said this and she got this and she was able to get this bag. Every store is different. Hermes Waikiki is different to even Hermes Ala Moana. Hermes Melbourne is different to Hermes Chadstone. So even if you're in the same country, in different cities, depending on the managers, it's all different. So I know it sounds vague, but it really differs. What can I say? Demand just outweighs supply. The fact is that there is no set rule. So as I was saying, we went to the store. I didn't ask for that. I was looking for a pair of shoes. Now, I'm not going to do all my Hermes unboxings right now. I have got a big, massive Hermes haul for you coming up. So before I got offered this bag, let me tell you exactly what I bought. And let me say, this is just my case. I always get asked, Mel, is there a certain amount you need to spend before you get offered a Birkin, a Kelly, or Constance? And my answer to that is, it depends. Some people and I've known these stories because people have written to me, they only buy 1 or 2 items and they get offered. Some people have to spend 50,000, 100,000 before they get offered their dream bag. Again, there's no set rule. But what I find is if you click with your sales associate and you just get along, I think that is half the battle. And for me, I always like to be polite. I always like to, I guess with the way I talk, you guys know I'm very passionate about luxury brands. When I talk about things, I guess the sales associate can kind of tell, okay, well, she kind of knows her stuff because I'm talking about colors. I'm asking, do you have this? Has this come in yet? Oh, I saw online that it had this. And I guess that demonstrates your knowledge of Hermes. But I guess Joyo could tell that I was passionate about that because the conversation led to, oh, how did you get my contact? And then I kind of explained the story. But still, he wasn't, I don't think that being a YouTuber, I also get asked, Mel, is being a YouTuber help you get Hermes? Again, the answer is sometimes yes, sometimes no, and sometimes it does not even make a difference. And I never expect special treatment. I guess I treat the essays like how I would like to be treated. Like I have worked in retail many, many years, and I know what it's like to serve, you know, customers that, let's just say you always have more difficult customers. And I don't know, it's just so much more of a pleasure to serve someone that's happy, that's respectful, that loves the brand, and you can just naturally tell that and it's not forced. So anyway, that's my opinion. So with Joyo, we just clicked. I mean, we were having laughs. He got along really well with my husband. He was absolutely lovely with the kids. The kids loved him. And so straight away, we just gelled. And for that, I guess that's also a little bit of luck too, because have I met sales associates that I haven't gelled with? Absolutely. Have I had bad experiences in luxury stores? Absolutely. I think we all have. So sometimes you meet someone you gel with and sometimes you don't. It's just, I guess, life. So what I bought before I was offered this bag is I wanted a pair of shoes, which I got. I will reveal. Hubby got a pair of shoes. Yay! I really love that. And I also got a scarf because you guys know I'm obsessed about scarves. And then that is when we got into more conversation, and this is like, I think it was like maybe an hour and a half later, then we started talking about, you know, things I was interested in. And he did not offer this to me straight away. He just asked, what are you interested in? So I gave him a list of things that I was interested in. I think the more narrow your selection is, obviously it's harder. So if you're willing, be open. Again, though, don't settle. It is a huge amount of money buying any Hermes bag. So I don't want you guys to settle saying, oh, if I'm offered, I have to take it because if I don't, I'll be blacklisted forever. That is not true, because if you're just honest, then they understand it's a lot of money for a bag. You want to buy something that you love. Not saying don't be open, because this color that I bought, it was originally not in my list. It was in the family of colors. But when I saw it and when I tried it on, I was like, yes, I love it. In answering the question, so the amount that I spent may not have been, you know, one-to-one, but I guess when we were talking, he could tell that I own a lot of Hermes myself already. So I'm obviously a good customer in Australia. Now, I don't know how that works with USA and Australia and Europe, because there is no worldwide same system. So he can't see my sales history from Australia. But as we were talking and things like that, he knew sort of what bags I was after, because I was saying, oh no, I don't want gold because, you know, I've got that, and so forth. There are certain stores in Asia, and you guys have written to me and said, oh, I heard in, you know, Taiwan or Hong Kong or whatever it may be, if I spend, you know, the equivalent of a Birkin or Kelly, I'll get offered one. Yes, that is true. It definitely can happen, but that does not happen in all countries. So again, it really depends. That was not my experience here, but can it happen in Hawaii? Maybe. I don't know. As I said, it is case by case. He asked me to come back, but during that time, we were heading to Maui, so I couldn't get back into the store till the following week. So anyway, went back the following week, and then he said, is there anything else that you're sort of looking for? He showed me a few things. If there are things you want, definitely go with a list. That doesn't mean to say if you buy all these things, oh, but Mel said you're going to get offered this. Please, guys, do not say that, because that is not true. But I think if you just connect and you buy a few things, does it help if you buy a few things? Yes, it does help. The amount, I'm not sure, but it's very rare, as I said, that you would just buy nothing and get offered a Birkin or Kelly, though on very rare occasions it has happened. Anyway, I'm rambling so much, but I just wanted to tell you the full story. So then basically he said, I've got something for you. It's in this box. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you what I got. Can you tell what it is? Let me just unbox it. Now before I unbox it, this is not a true unboxing because I did have to like bring it back and I didn't obviously take it in the box. I hand carried this baby because it was too precious. So, I've actually put a twilly on her already. One of my twillies. It was not a color that I had seen in real life before, but when I saw it, I was like, ooh, you are cute. And it is, dun, 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 dun. So this, guys, is Hermes Kelly Cellier, size 25, in Epsom leather in the new color Blue Encre. Encre is, in French, directly translated to ink. So right now on camera, it might be coming out a bit purpley. It definitely has a purple undertone, but it's like a royal blue. So in certain lights, it looks like royal blue. And because I've got a purple twilly on it, it definitely is picking up the purple in this bag. It has palladium hardware as well. And I don't have a 25, so I'm just so rapt to be offered this size. I just think it looks so cute. I already had in mind what twilly I wanted to put on it. I actually did on the day, I actually did buy another twilly, which I will reveal in my other video with something else super special. Well, I think is super special, and I'll show you that combination. But let me just open this up. Inside here, it comes with the shoulder strap, which I will put on for you guys, and also the lock. I will also do some mod shots. Love how vibrant it is too. Is it sort of coming up? Let me just show you. There you go. And I'll just put this on. And I actually have the perfect rodeo already to match this. Let me just put it on and show you guys. There you go, guys. What do you think of my twilly and rodeo combination? Now I know not everyone loves the whole twilly and, dressing up your bag, but I'm a sucker for these little horses. Yes, I do collect them, but sometimes I like my Kellys and Birkins, all naked and plain, and sometimes I just like dressing them up because I just think it's a bit of fun. I said I would share the price, so let me tell you. So Hermes in Hawaii is the same as USA mainland. The only difference is the tax. So in Hawaii, tax is 4.7%, whereas in the USA, if you were to buy it, it can range from 7 to 10%. So this bag here is 9,500 USD, and then you need to add the 4.7% tax on. So I thought I would just insert something here to show you the difference between USA, Hawaii, Europe, and Australian pricing. And as you can see, it is definitely the cheapest in Europe, but it did end up being slightly cheaper buying in Hawaii than Australia. I had so many of you email me these past few weeks and say, Mel, how do you sort of store your bags? What do you use inside your bags? For those of you that are new to my channel, you probably haven't heard me speak about this, but the inserts that I will only use for my Birkins and Kellys, because look, they are expensive bags. I think they deserve the best inserts are the 7RP or 7 Rue Paradis inserts. And my friends from 7RP, when I told them that I got this bag, they were so lovely. They did send me 2 new inserts. But guys, this is not a sponsored video or anything, but you guys know, for those who've been watching me for ages, I have loved this company for over 2 years. I've done an in-depth comparison. I will leave it linked above. Go and have a look at the video, do your own research. Yes, these are more on the pricier side, but the thing about 7RP is that they only make Hermes inserts. So for the Birkin from 25 to 35, actually no, the Birkin 40 is a new one too, and the Kelly from 25 to 35, they also do the Evelyne as well. So I highly recommend these inserts, and look at the colors. This is Vert Chartreuse, and I also chose Iris because I like a tonal, and sometimes I just love a contrast. And just really quickly, I will show you, you know, how I quickly pack this, because I like to use it to protect the insides of the bags, and especially for my return bags and especially Birkins, it helps retain the shape. I leave these in my Birkins and they've been completely fine, and my Kellys, so I just love it. And yes, lots of you said, Mel, can you get another discount code, because my discount code's expired ages ago, so I got an even better one for you. Thank you 7RP for giving this discount code for my followers. So if you enter MIM30, you can get 30 euro off each insert. So if you want to buy two, that's 60 euro off. I will leave the end date in the description bar below, but it will go for at least a week. I just can't tell you how great the quality is of these. They are made of Alcantara, which is used to line luxury sports cars. Just soft but structured. Let me just quickly show you how I pack this. Each of the inserts are made specifically for the bag. So the Kelly Cellier is different from the Return. So that's what I love about it. It's almost like customized. So it does fit an 8+. It does fit into this pocket here, but the 10S Max will fit in as well. And then I've got my Hermes Bastia. And then I've got some mints. Put into this pocket. It does even fit a LV pochette. I use this to house makeup and everything. My Chanel card case, which I use as a mini wallet. My keys in this one here. And then it even has a couple of pen holders here, or lipstick holders, but just to show you, this is my lipstick pen. You can put it that way there. Kelly Celliers are more rigid, so you need to like fully open it up, but it will fit in and slide in perfectly. So as you can see, guys, how perfectly does that fit in there? And I love the pop of color. I mean, look at this Vert Chartreuse. But then again, if I wanted something tonal, I've also got the Iris, and I will just close the bag up like this, the horsey, and there you have it. I do admit, after I got this bag, as I said, Hawaii gets a lot more stock. And when new items come in, I'm always open. Did some damage, and I just can't wait to share with you. So lots more goodies to show you, and just so that Joyo doesn't get bombarded, all the Hermes Waikiki team are lovely. Also go see Jenny. Hi Jenny, if you're watching. They are just so nice, and I just loved the level of customer service there. So if you liked this video and liked my new Kelly, please give this video a thumbs up, and sharing is always caring. So if you have any friends that are going to Hawaii that are looking for their, you know, dream bag, or they're looking for inserts, do share my videos with them. Whenever you guys write to me and say, oh my gosh, Mel, your video from Paris helped me so much, or this review helped me so much, it really makes me so happy, because I love that my videos are informative and that it helps you with your purchases. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you very soon in my next unboxing vid. Bye guys!